Today we are visiting South Plaza Island, which is a tiny little island with less than 1 square kilometer, but full of wildlife. Today we have seen many land iguanas. We were not expecting to see as many as today. We saw a lot. They were everywhere. It's like an explosion of life here. The land iguanas live right next to the cactus. The cactus provide them of shade, but also food. And this time of the year, they are mating. They get a beautiful yellow, orange, reddish color. The color seems like, it's a yummy flower or a yummy fruit of cactus, and it smells so nice, so the female get attracted to here. And then they have these romantic nights. They serve this tequila made out of the cactus, and you know what happens later.
You get on what looks like islands that have very little going on, and there's animals everywhere you look. The beauty of these reptiles, the iguanas, the fish, the birds, it's an amazing once-in-a-lifetime opportunity for us.